Did you know the secret to better health could already be sitting in your kitchen? That's right, it's ginger, the golden root that's been cherished for thousands of years. In ancient Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, it wasn't just a spice, it was a healer. Imagine ancient healers using ginger to treat colds, soothe aching joints, and calm upset stomachs. Fast forward to today, and modern science is proving what they knew all along. Ginger isn't just tradition, it's a treasure trove of health benefits backed by research. Now let's uncover the real secret behind ginger's magic. Its bioactive compound, especially gingerol. That's the spicy kick you taste and the powerhouse that fuels ginger incredible health benefits. Here are just a few ways this root can transform your well-being. Let's start with its effect on digestion. Have you ever sipped ginger tea to ease nausea? There is a reason it works. It increases stomach emptying. So whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or just a heavy meal, ginger helps your stomach empty faster and calms your digestive system. It's nature's remedy in a cup. If you ever felt muscle soreness or stiff joints, ginger might be your go-to. Its anti-inflammatory compounds work wonders, making it a favorite among athletes and anyone dealing with arthritis. Feeling under the weather? Ginger has you covered. Its warming properties fight off bacteria and viruses while soothing cold symptoms like congestion or a sore throat. It's your winter warrior. Here is something you might not know. Ginger could help your heart. Studies suggest it can lower blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Looking to keep your weight in check? Ginger can give your metabolism a boost and help regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, it helps curb those sugar cravings. One of the best things about ginger is how easy it is to use. Slice some fresh ginger, steep it in hot water and enjoy a soothing drink. Grate ginger into soups, stir fries or marinades for the zinzy flavor. Toss a small piece of ginger into your morning smoothie for a refreshing kick. Mix ginger juice with honey and lemon for an immunity boost in seconds. Add ginger slices in water and let them infuse overnight. It's refreshing and hydrating. Combine grated ginger with honey to create a natural cough syrup. It's simple and effective. You can also supercharge your health with a ginger turmeric shot. Just blend fresh ginger, turmeric, lemon, oranges, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of olive oil for a quick, powerful immunity booster. It's loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and vitamin C, perfect for starting your day on a healthy note. And if you want to boost its benefit, combine it with turmeric and black pepper. I've actually shared a perfect recipe for ginger turmeric tea on my channel. Check it out under the live category. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description and at the end of this video. While ginger is a superstar, a little goes a long way. Too much can cause mild side effects like heartburn or an upset stomach. And if you are on medications, especially blood thinners, it's always best to check with your doctor before diving into a ginger-filled diet. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments, how do you like to use your ginger? I would love to hear your tips. Let's keep exploring the amazing gifts of nature together.